Good morning, guys. It's 8 to the what's up, you guys. I am looking this is gonna be fun and exciting. I'm looking at giant tiger, so it's gonna be fun and exciting. So I will talk to you guys when I am done work. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm gonna be cooking up lamb. So I haven't done lamb before. I got 50% off. So yeah, I got 50% off of the lamb, so it's gonna be good. Hopefully, cross all fingers. So it's gonna be always good. Good. And lamb. Happened?
Gear stabbed my foot with a fork.
And what were you gonna say?
You know how awkward if it like was actually a serious situation and it got stuck?
I'm hoping I can watch that tune out
right?
of the rain with a quick sweat.
Comment below what would the hospital say?
I'd say.
You don't know?
I think they would be very like.
The general manager was fired.
I don't think they would believe it was an accident.
And
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video. Gareth is really tired, so we're gonna go to bed now. But yeah, comment, subscribe. And have a great day. And be sure to come back tomorrow for some more. Bye.